Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you. Listen, I will be tossing in a couple deals at Vons and Target. They'll be in the Google Doc. I'll probably go over it in the final breakdown clip as well. But that really helped with getting my deals done today. But I did want to mention that we did get some new granola surveys on Flavor Wiki, for which I didn't get this time. There was 2 for $29 each. I was really hoping that I would, but I didn't. It kicked me out at 95%. This had to be like the last question. It was like, you will be asked to try this product 2 different ways. The first is dry. What is the other way that you want to try it? And it was like milk, yogurt, dry. Okay, I don't know why. I chose them all. Didn't work. I chose milk and yogurt. It didn't work. I tried milk. It didn't work. I tried yogurt. It didn't. Nothing worked. So I guess that was the universe's way of saying, Shay, listen, boo. As much as we know that you want this moneymaker granola, we know you don't need it. But yes, I do. I do. But yeah, didn't work out for me. I'll have a link in the description for those of you who want to see if it works out for you. Hopefully it's just a glitch and they fix it. I think that's what kind of happened last time, where it was like no matter how you responded to it, you didn't get it. So I'm hoping that they fix it and they give us another try Monday. But on a brighter side, I did get the brand surveys that we did. I had 2 for $4 each on both my account and Joseph, so I did get back that 16 today, which is really cool. I love when Flavor Wiki hit before the weekend starts, which is so awesome because it just sucks when you're waiting to get paid throughout the weekend. And that's when you need your money to do more deals, rinse and repeat. And so, with that being said, did I say subscribe? I sure didn't. Listen, if you new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Hello. Make sure you hit the like button, support your girl, do all that stuff just to help your girl out. So with that being said, we're going to head to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
All right, y'all. This first deal is on the Havarti cheese. This is a social nature offer, so you want to grab 1 at $3.97. You'll get that back, making this absolutely free. Let me know if you tried this, because I low-key want to get it, but I low-key don't want to get it. If it was a moneymaker, I probably would be more likely, obviously, to get it, but let me know if you tried it, because I haven't tried it. Really quick, I'm gonna mention this deal, but I did do this deal at Vons. I saw it posted on Instagram and I figured it was a much better deal there. Of course, I went there looking for the dollar hang tags or tear pads rather. I didn't find any. But if you want to grab them here, they're priced at $2.96, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta. Makes them $1.46 each. Now, the deal that I did at Vons this morning, they are $1.99 when you buy 4 or more. And then getting back the $1.50 on Ibotta makes them only 49 cents each. Now, if you can find that dollar tear pad, then you would pay 99 cents and get back $1.50 on Ibotta, so it would be a moneymaker for you. I did grab 5 over there, though. Grab these over here. The deal at Vons, $1.99 when you buy 4 or more. And for this offer on Ibotta, you're getting back $1. So it would make them 97 cents. I was looking for the Keebler Spooky Fudge Stripes. It says they have them, but I don't see them. They're probably on some little end cap somewhere. Hopefully I'll find them. They're priced at $3.38. We have a $5 offer. I'll have a link in the description. And then we'll get back $1 on Ibotta and make it a $2.62 moneymaker. I'm gonna hope that I find them because it says they have them. Right, I found some little hang tags. They're only $1 though. I think I still have $2 ones. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for these. I still have $2 ones that are good till the end of the year. So I'm definitely gonna be leaving these here. Okay, just a reminder on the Mamba. They're priced at $1.98. There's an offer on Shopkick. Hopefully it's still there for 400 kicks, which is 160, makes them 38 cents. 3 different flavors, limit of 5 per flavor. All right, so I'm going to be grabbing the Berry Light again. The smaller bottle's priced at $3.46. I'm getting back to on aisle, and $1.25 on Ibotta makes it only 21 cents. All right, so this next deal is on the Muscle Milk. It is priced at $3.38. We have an offer on aisle for $5, so it's gonna make this a $1.62 moneymaker. I was actually hoping to find the little 6-pack and pay $1.98, but they're priced a little higher at this store. And so yeah, I'll have a link in the description or the Google Doc. All right, so we're here with this fancy feast, gems. Okay, so I'm gonna try it, y'all. I'm gonna try it with a coupon. Starters are priced at $187. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a total of 4 of them. That total is gonna come to $7.88. Now I'm gonna use 4 of these printables. I'm hoping they scan because I'm gonna go to self-checkout. Hello. If they scan, then that's gonna bring the total down to $3.88 out of pocket. We'll get back $1 for each one I bought, and then a 50-cent bonus for buying 4, making them all a 62-cent moneymaker. So I'm gonna see if it works. Now we do have offers on the sister apps for $1. So if you want to just grab one, pay $1.87, get back $1 on Ibotta, $1 on Swagbucks, then it'll be a 3-cent moneymaker. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this deal on the Snuggle sheets. It's on the 40 count price at $187. Gonna use this pilly here. I found these a while ago. And so if it scans for me, I'll end up paying 97 cents out of pocket, and then I'll get back 75 cents on Ibotta, making it only 22 cents. We're gonna be grabbing the Purcell. I wish they had liquid, but it looks like they're all out. So we're gonna be grabbing the Ultra Packs. Well, I guess it's good I'm getting the Ultra Packs because technically speaking, the coupon is on the Ultra Packs. So we're gonna grab one at $5.44. We'll use this $2 peely. We'll pay $3.44, get back 3 on Ibotta, making it only 44 cents. Now there are offers, or there is an offer on Fetch Reward. It's a spend 30, get back 380, and that amount is calculated after coupons. And so hopefully I can find more pillies and hit that again before it expires. Right, so listen, this next deal is on the Airwick Mist. It shows online they have the Apple one on clearance for $2.50, but they don't have any. But I do see, actually, it's this one. Yeah, it's this one that's on clearance for $2.50. Let me double check. 3157. Actually, it's not this one. This is the one on the wrong. This is in the wrong spot. But I did scan this one, and it is on clearance for $2.50. For this one, we have an offer on Walmart Rewards. It makes it only 50-cent limit of 1. But if you can't find it on clearance, you can grab one at $3.24, get back to it, make that $1.24, which is what I actually had planned on doing. But I lucked out because I got this one and I'll get it for 50 cents. Right. So yeah. So we're on the Command aisle. And there's offers on Shopkick for Command. For $7.50 on select ones. And so they have some as low as $3.38. Let me see what that would be. $3.38. You get back 750 kicks on Shopkick, I want to say, which is $3. So it'd make it 38 cents with a limit of 4, I believe, which is definitely not a bad deal. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for today. You probably thinking, hey, Shay, it looks like something's missing. What could it be? It's the fancy feast. So with this deal, look, what I did is I got 4 of the same flavor with the coupon, and then I grabbed a 5th one of a different flavor without the coupon, and I figured I could submit that one on Ibotta and, like, let's say Swagbucks. But it didn't go through on Ibotta. So for all y'all that say my receipts never get rejected when I use a coupon, there you go. And so I'm hoping, because I did get different flavors, the 4 that I'll return, because I'm not keeping them, the 4 that I'll return are different flavors. And this is the one that I actually got the offer for. So I'm hoping that there's no issues with that. The only thing about that it leaves me short 4 offers to hit my bonus for the weekend. So most likely go tomorrow or whatever and see if I can finish that off. I know the Herdes might reset. I did that at Vons. Go Macros, I did at Target. I had another offer for that. It's a sample offer, and it was $9.29. I got that back, as well as 50 cents on Ibotta, so 50-cent moneymaker. And the Tenayo, that is an aisle offer to buy one, get one free. You have to buy both flavors. I think it's buy the spicy, get the roasted one free. And so I got back the $8.49 already for aisle, and then $3 for each on Ibotta. Makes them $1.25 each. I figured since the Go Macros was a 50-cent moneymaker, it makes them $1 a piece. As far as bonds, I got the Herdes for $1.99. It was buy 4 or more, and they're $1.99. $1.50 back on Ibotta. Perfect Bar, those are 2 for $5, or 1 for $2.50. I did have $1 any produce, I think it was, or something like that, that it was attaching. So I paid $1.50 and got back $1.35 on Ibotta. What else? As far as this, everything else worked out. With the coupons, the Snuggle scanned, got that back on Ibotta. The Per Sale scanned, got that back on Ibotta. I just didn't get the fancy feast. You win some, you lose some. And when you lose them, you just take it back to the store. Hello. And so other than that, let me show you this bag I got for Social Nature. They sent me an email saying, you won a free tote bag. And I said, oh, really? And this is what it looks like. It's kind of cute. And so, yeah. Other than that, let's breeze through this. And so everything you see here retails $63.47. We had $5 in coupons. Actually, was it 5? No, it was 6 because we got to count the for the Perfect Bar. Yeah, I didn't count that. So it brings it down to $57.47 out of pocket. And then we get back $24.35 on Ibotta. Aisle is $15.49. Sample is $9.29. Walmart Rewards is $2. Swagbucks is $1. Getting back a total of $53.13. And that's everything you see here at $5.34, which is pretty awesome. But yeah, other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button at the end. If you made it to the end, I want to see, let's see, what emoji do I want to see? I want to see a rainy emoji, y'all. I was talking about how hot I was in my last video with rain yesterday. And so let me see some rain, some cloudy, rainy emojis in the comments. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button like I said. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.